Today, India celebrates its 75th Independence Day. We all have special memories of the national holiday, growing up flag hoisting in school, day functions, special play enactment, hoisting of flags, special commemorative food, singing the national anthem, together and most importantly, expressing gratitude towards our freedom fighters and their undying spirit. Independence Day, celebrated on August 15 every year, marks the day India secured her freedom from the British rule, after a long 200 years battle of suppression and oppression by the British. Not only is India's Independence Day a historic celebration, which makes one remember and honor the mighty sacrifices our courageous leader and fighters put forward for our country, but also a day to take pride, celebrate and respect our noble country's rich honor, valor, rich history, culture and tradition. Most importantly, the day makes us all remember the core value: our country was built on peace and freedom of expression. Usually, Independence Day celebrations are marked by grand day celebrations held at Lal Quila, a speech delivered by the country's Prime Minister, flag hoisting, and other state and national level events to pay respects. On the community level, many societies and club host celebrations, host movies and celebrate the country's rich culture. There's also a unique tradition related to flying kites, which dates back to the freedom fight. In the early days of protest and marches, people used to fly kites, using it as a medium of protest. Ever since, it became a mark of tradition to celebrate autonomy, freedom and peace. One can sight many kites in the sky on the day. There are kite flying competitions as well. While this year, the celebration would be held in a different way, owing to the pandemic, the festive spirit doesn't need to simmer down. With some selected greetings, photos, messages and quotes, which can be shared with your near and dear ones, you can keep up the patriotic spirit and mark the day. This Independence Day, let's take a pledge to protect the peace and unity of our great nation. Happy Independence Day. Remembering our past is extremely important. But we also have to think about building our future. Let's do everything to keep our freedom and carry it through the years. Happy Independence Day. Never allow the evening of independence, the sacrifice of martyrs, will not be discredited. Till which even one drop of blood remains, India will not allow the mother's auctions to be auctioned. Happy Independence Day. Freedom doesn't see colors or shapes. There is enough hate and violence in the world, and now we need to build a better future, full of love, unity and understanding. Here's to a wonderful Independence Day. We are blessed to have a right to speak and to be heard. A right several brave souls fought for. Let's take a moment to think of their sacrifice and what they had to pay for the freedom we enjoy. As our flag flies free in the wind today, please take a moment to savor truly what freedom is and at what cost it came. Happy Independence Day. On this glorious day, take time out to be reflective of how truly precious this gift is. Always remember the sweat and sacrifice made by our heroes who have made this day a reality. Happy Independence Day. A lot of people laid their lives to make this country better. We should respect that and not do anything that will drag the name of the country into the mud. It is our collective responsibility to make this country better than the previous years. Happy Independence Day. Satyameva Jayate, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Kaun se Kailanj Holy Garvatan Mushkil Main Hai, Ashfaq Lakan. Karo Yamaro Dash, Mahatma Gandhi.